In this video, I want to show you how to just restart your Sony Smart TV. So you might be having a glitch where it's too slow or something. Smart TVs are just like computers. They're not like the old TVs. So you have to refresh them up and actually do a restart maybe once a week, if not more. So on the Sony, the only thing you have to do to restart it is hold down the power button for 10 seconds. And then what you want to do is release. If that doesn't work, hold down for another 30 seconds and release, and it should turn black and then start back up. Now, for whatever reason, if that doesn't work, I want you to go to the very back of the TV and unplug it and keep it unplugged for about 2 minutes. Plug it back in, and that will do a soft reset, and it'll give your memory on the TV a little bit of a boost. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you. Please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.